Good. Sit, trot, turn right, back on it. Now I want the right circle inside the white, but around the green, okay? Right circles are good for you because that'll help prevent you from going to the left. Look right. Good. One more time. That's for me where a little shorter stirrup might help you. Good. Very good. Yeah, watch that. Feel that? So one more time. One more time. Gotta think right heel, a little landing, stay in the middle. Soften. Eyes up. Better. Good girl. Much better, huh? Good. Keep galloping. Straight. Straight as gallop down. Straight. Good. Get the little oxer behind Kate there. See, this kind of schooling where I just call it out. Good practice for the ring. She doesn't have to know. I don't even know where she's going until she gets here. We have to see how it goes. Eyes up, turn right. Beautiful, good. Free stride. That's good. A little wider would be good. All right, continue. Left. Sit, sit, sit. No problem. Circle, smooth. He was good. Big circle, back on it. Circle, circle, not up too far. Back on the 3. We just got to get where you're too addy away from home, huh? Good. Keep going, keep going. You're right here. Don't think steady. Keep going, then maybe steady. Continue. There you got it. Still. Right. Sit, sit, right. Good. Good. Keep your gallop up the side. Right turn, green gate, left. Turn there. A little slice. A little slice. Turn there. Green gate. Left inside. Good. All the way to the end. Do the direct 6 you saw. Green gate oxer. Very good. Stay on it. Don't add. Stay on it. Now still. That's the best. Continue. Good. Eyes up. Good. 3. 3. Don't steady. 3. Now chill. Move, move, move. Move. Good. Left. Sit. Drop him. Loose rein. Drop him. There, down the side. Good girl. See, sometimes there, just chuck the reins. Let him find his own balance, huh?
Where am I going?
Oxer. Triple. After the triple, halt. Good. Still short. Ooh. Pretty good. Pretty good at the vertical. Even the oxer, don't throw him away quite so much, okay? Notice with him, we've got 2 or 3 jumps a little false. He's old enough, he can start figuring those out. Turn, turn, straight. Look, look. A little quicker with eyes. Good. Left, turning. Left, look. Don't lean left, middle of your horse. Quiet release. Middle. Excellent. Triple. Stay on it, stay on it. Not too waiting, not too waiting. Now easy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh, steady. All right. No problem, no problem. Let him walk and relax. We'll throw that on there. Now, that's all right. That's part of perfecting it. Okay, we get you galloping, then you might go for that one. We got to get you to gallop the turn. Good. Left. keep the gallop. Time allowed tight. Keep the gallop on it, on it, on it. Sit a little and wait. Soften. Ooh, ooh. Soften. Beautiful. Good. Eyes up. Good girl. Watch that second ox so you don't lean left, huh? Very good. Walk a second. Good. Turn there. Stay inside. Yep. Okay, that's perfect. Quiet. Nice. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Come on. Stay on it. Now steady. Uh-oh. Oh, easy. Easy. Move down. Good. Very good. He jumped that nice. Gotta get you organized at sea, though. You think you're all done, too much of that. Works out all right. I almost hate to do any more. He jumped it really good. Okay? So you're all right. You're all right. You practice that at home. Okay? Because he jumped it beautifully. I'll tell you what, those of you watching, she's got to come real quiet to A, because the more room she has to be, the easier it'll be to see. Okay, gallop. Time tight. Gallop. You're on it. Faster. Faster. You're on it. Okay, throttle down. Whoa. Whoa, fit it in. Fit it in. Whoa. Little leg. Very good. Excellent. That's difficult. Good, Julianne. Let's leave him there, huh? Good girl. He's going well.
Yeah.
He's going well. Good.
Thank you, Jeff.
Very
Thank
good.
you so much.
That's, and I know why you did it, because, you know, his mouth and this and that, but that's the next step. You can't be slow back there. Kind of